Oh, baby.
Yeah, murder head, murder head.
Love you, babe. Oh, baby.
Ashanti, Ashanti. Chapter 2, chapter 2. Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of this. Guys, I wish I could sing, but you can hear ba. The voice ain't voicing love. The voice is not voicing, but guys, today, as you guys can read from the title, is the first day and the only day, really. Maybe a bit of tomorrow, though, of my maintenance/travel prep vlog. I did try it on the day I went to go do my hair, but guys, wow, I was down disgusting. I was down terrible. So I said, you know what? We're gonna re-intro this thing and start again. So basically, we're on a trip tomorrow and there are a couple of little errands that I need to do to get prepared. So today we are doing my nails and I'm going to get my lashes done, and then we also need to go to the mall to pick up a couple of things as well as pick up a card from the bank. And then tomorrow we're going to do a little bit of grooming. I think that is it. Yeah. So you guys are gonna come with me. I will give you guys hair details when we come back from doing my nails and everything else.
Stopping me, can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me, can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so okay, update. I am no longer doing my nails there. I'm not doing my nails there. I got there and I was told a whole bunch of stuff that I wasn't privy to when I'd made an appointment. I'm so incredibly bored. I've been using this time driving just to clear my head because I said, you know what? If I think too much, ngizovele ngicikeke worse. But I'm trying to be solutions based. So I've come here to the shopping center by my house to see if I can get an appointment at either Dream Nails or Sorbet so that I can get my nails, these ones, soaked off at least, and then I can do my nails somewhere else. Guys, I'm so bored, and I feel like, you know what, normally on these vlogs I try to keep it cute because I just I'm not trying to ever bash or just, you know, say anything super negative about someone's brand and business, because obviously that's their bread and butter, and obviously I do know that I have a platform and I don't want any sort of hate or anything, but I also think it's important for me to give my genuine customer experience at some of the places that I go to, because I feel like if I don't do that as well, I'm leaving with you guys the disservice. And I'm so incredibly messed up in the sense that my day is messed up. I have a lash appointment at 11, so I really don't have time to be doing what I'm doing right now and scrambling for places and whatever the case is. It just sucks because obviously I've worked with this nail tech for a very long time now and all of that, but also in the same breath, I can't live like I can't, I think that's so dramatic for me to say, but genuinely, like, I can't. And it's only annoying me because it's the first time, like, I can't be inconvenienced so badly. And if I think about situations like this where I'm literally going on a trip tomorrow, I don't have time to do what I'm doing right now. So I'm just incredibly bored, Nana, and hate the fact that I have to find a new nail tech now, because that, and I'm not in like fast. Time is up, mommy. It's up. Time is up. It's game over. So anyways, my plan is, I'm gonna try and soak off my nails now. Then in the next like 30 minutes, I need to head to my nail appointment and my lash appointment, because it's literally all the way in Highlands North. I did, because I knew at the back of my mind, but Connie, they're off. So I did book with the nail tech that works at this place that I'm going to do my lashes, and her nails are really quite good. So what I'm gonna do is that I did book for 10, but assuming that I would be soaking off there if I wasn't gonna go there, because obviously I thought I was doing my nails here in the north. So what I'm gonna do my nails now if I can, hopefully crossing fingers and toes that I can soak off my nails. Then I'm going to go to that place at 10, so I'll have an hour to do my nails, so she can at least start. If she can't finish while they're doing my lashes, she can at least do like tips, put the tips on and a bit of acrylic or whatever she can do in an hour. Hopefully she can do my nails while I'm getting my lashes done. Hopefully if she can do that, that'll be great. But if she can't, then I'll just finish the rest of my nails when I'm done with my lashes, because guys, I literally got here at 10. I'm leaving now. It's 3 new lashes on lock. And I just got done with my nails as well, as you guys saw. Guys, she really hooked me up. These ladies really did a real thing proper for me today. I don't want to make that go unsaid. It is nailed by Nady. I'll put all the details on the screen, obviously, as I was doing the treatments. But guys, wow, shout out to them. They really saved the day. So now I'm about to head to the bank to pick up my credit card, and then we're gonna head back home. My final package of clothing came today, guys, and at the last hour, because it's literally the day before, I was really losing hope there. But it came while I was doing my lashes. I wanted to cry. I was so happy. Like, literally, I was like, I'm up and I'm stuck, baby. Nobody can touch me. We already checked into our flights. I checked in now while we were chilling. I'm just... Come on. Guys, so I just got home and I got my last package from Wholesale 7, guys. I was cutting it so close with every single thing that I bought. I actually don't know what I was thinking. I've lost my mind. I have lost my mind, but it's not important because everything came. So yeah, I'm just gonna try on everything from here, see what I'm taking, see what I'm leaving. And then I'm probably only gonna head to the mall around, I wanna say 6:30. I want the, what do you call this thing? The traffic to die down. Right now the time is 5. So yeah, in about an hour and a half, I'll head. I just also want to do, again, like a stock taking of everything that I have to make sure that we have enough outfits, we've got enough bathing costumes. I have so many swimsuits. I realized like I definitely overpack swimsuits because baby, I've been buying swimsuits in previous years but just not wearing them because I just haven't felt as confident. But this year, guys, can't wait. Like even when I try on these bikinis right now, I'm like, you look great. You look great, hun. You look great. So yeah, anyways, let's get to trying on. I'm not going to show you guys because I do want to have it be a surprise for you guys when you see my looks. But also, guys, let me know if you want me to do like a collective haul at the end of the trip to show you guys where I got everything from. Just trust me, the looks will be fire. They're gonna be... I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, I don't want to act tough. I went to the mall and I forgot to show you guys, but I bought a couple of things. I'm going to show you guys quickly. This memory card is nearly full. Lucky for me, I bought another one. From H&M, I got this bag. I got this sort of like a travel bag. The one that I have right now is kind of giving me a little show, so I decided to get this one. It's super cute. It's quite big and spacious for all my shit. I got these shoes. Just these plain black slides from H&M as well. I'm obviously obsessed with H&M slides. They're so comfortable. And I just wanted something very patla-esque, but not actual patlas because I know I just won't wear actual patlas. So I got those. From Dischem. Everything fell out of my bag. I'm sick. Dischem, I just got these activated charcoal pills. It's obviously going to be a big week, guys, so I got that. I got the Snooze neck pillow. I was going to get the more like complex ones, but then I was just like, dude, no, it's not that serious. I just want to sleep, honestly. Then I got some sunscreen. This is the Protect and Dry Touch. Really, really like this one, specifically because I also use this for if I need like that added glow on my legs or on my body, really in general. It really adds a really nice glow. Tip for if you don't want to use body oil, just use sunscreen. It gives that same effect. I remember I saw Uche did it and I was like, you're not wrong. You're not wrong at all. Then I just bought this like 4-pack of Dove soap. I'm obviously just going to take one, but I couldn't find any individual ones. Then I got these face sponges. You guys already know when I have the lashes, I'm going to need the face sponges. Then I got some moisturizing cream. And I got this Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss. Lissetti, I think this is the one that Lissetti was using this past weekend. And it was really, really good. I think it was this one. I hope it was this one. I pray it was this one. And then I got myself a Red Bull because it's going to be a long night, Oaks. It's going to be a long night of packing today. So I was like, let me have some assistance. Then from Photo First, I went to go get these 20 Instax mini film thingies so that I can take Polaroids. What am I saying? Polaroids. So I can take Polaroids. And then, yeah, that's it actually. And then I just got boob tape for my boobs. I realized I didn't have enough. I was going to go to Zara and check out if they had, I did go, to be fair. I went to Zara to see if they had any like cute dresses or whatever. Everything they had was a little bit casual because I'm gonna have like a birthday dinner. And you guys see the place that we're going to is a little bit of a different vibe to what Zara has going on. Zara stuff is a little bit formal. So I was just like, son, I think you're calling it off. So what I'm going to do is just wear the dress that I got that I was telling you guys about. I tried it on and it looks quite cute. I really like it. It's quite sexy. So it's nice. It's very ZeeXOnline vibes. So yeah, I'm going to get to packing. I first need to just clear out this memory card so we can continue this vlog. But yeah. Also, guys, I bought myself McDonald's. I'm very ashamed, but really, I haven't eaten anything today. So I was like, you know what? McDonald's it is.
The next day.
Good morning, Betunana. Good morning, Betunana on Usugulukulu since Mlando. I swear, it's a big day, guys. It's a big day. It's large and in charge. So we are going to Thailand. So I'm about to go get my wax done. Let's go, Betunana.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear.
Hi guys, so I just got back, or rather done with my wax. The experience actually was not as bad as I had anticipated. I won't lie. It wasn't that bad this time. But she was saying that because I've been veting in between, that's why like the hair is a little bit easier to come off. But is it painful still? Absolutely. Absolutely, it's still painful. I don't want to make you guys think it's not. I'd never waxed with this lady before, and honestly, she was great. Like, she was talking me through the whole thing, as in, like, we were just talking about random stuff in between, and she just wasn't, like, being like, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. She was just saying, tweet, 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 tweet. Because she was like, dude, if I sit here and tell you count down, we're gonna finish in an hour. And, like, I know you want to go, I want to go, which was honestly great. I was here at Sorbet in Lone Hill, so yeah, she's really good. Her name is Anele. I back her. She's a very sweet lady, and yeah, she's very good at her job. She's very good at her job. Okay, guys, we are about to end this vlog. I do want to tell you that, but I want to do one last little clicks haul of the last minute things that I got. First things first, I got a smoothie. I obviously didn't get this from Clicks, but I got one. Then I got this Yardley luxurious matte finish medium beige loose powder. I realized my loose powders are finished, so I got that. Then I got my face wipes. I'm pretty sure I've got face wipes here, but I cannot seem to find them. So I was like, you know what? Let's find more. And then I got this Nivea Dry Fresh Deo Spray. This is also nearly finished for me, so I got that. I got this Blistex, guys. I can't find mine. I got this like as an in case. I really can't find it. The thing is, I don't have time to look for the one that I do have. So I was like, you know what? I might have to go with this. And it's making me sick that I have to buy another one when I know if I was still in Johannesburg, I was going to find the other one eventually, you know? Then I got this Essence Shine 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 lip gloss. I got the other one yesterday, but then I saw this and I was like, baby, does it make sense to not have this gloss? I don't know. And then finally, as I told you guys, I dropped my foundation. So I got this Rimmel in the shade Mahogany. Yeah, I love this foundation, guys. It's my perfect skin match. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. But yeah, guys, that is the end of my maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. Yeah, I'm so excited for this holiday, guys. Oh, wow, I've been waiting for this day. I went to the prayer in the shower and I was like, thank you, God. Thanks, God. Because Sabalu fall over from this country. I need a break from SA. I need a break, so see y'all. Love you so much.